In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS records in Hostinger. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step and ensure that you can manage your DNS settings with ease. Let's dive in. First, you need to log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the H panel. Now, depending on whether your domain has hosting or if it's a standalone domain, you'll take slightly different paths. If your domain comes with hosting, you'll want to navigate to the Websites section. From there, find the site you want to manage and click on the Manage button. Next, look for the Advanced section, and finally, select DNS Zone Editor to access your DNS settings. On the other hand, if your domain is standalone, the process is a little different. Begin by going to the Domains section. Then, you'll see Domain Portfolio. Click on it. Look for your specific domain and click on it. Here, you'll want to navigate to the DNS/Nameservers tab, and within that section, you're going to open the DNS Records area. Once you've accessed the DNS records through either of these paths, it's time to add a new DNS record. Look for a button that says Add Record. It might be labeled slightly differently, but it will be something along those lines. Click on it, and you'll see a list of types of records you can choose from. This includes options like A, CNAME, MX, TXT, AAA, SRV, CAA, and a few others. Choose the type of record that suits your needs. Next, you'll need to fill in the required fields for your specific DNS record. Let's break these down a bit. For the name field, if you're working with a root domain, simply enter the @ symbol. However, if your focus is on a subdomain, you should enter something like www or blog, depending on your setup. Moving on to the content or points to field, you'll input exactly where you want this DNS record to direct. If you're working with an A record, you'll be entering an IPv4 address here. If it's a CNAME, this will be a host name. For MX records, it would be a mail server domain, and for TXT records, it will be specific text data. Lastly, the TTL or time to live field generally defaults to a standard setting. It's usually set at 1.400 seconds, which is typical for most DNS records. It's best to leave this at its default unless you have specific requirements. Once you have all the necessary information filled in, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. When you're confident everything is correct, click the Add Record button to save your changes. And there you have it. Your DNS record is now added. Managing your DNS settings in Hostinger is simple when you break it down step by step. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!